Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix unable to install update on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Now, if you're experiencing different errors like being unable to update, to download or install, or any other issue that is preventing your iPhone from updating iOS 17, then in this video I will walk you through a few troubleshooting steps to fix any problem with iOS 17. So let's get started. The solution number 1 is check and fix the internet connection. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it back off and then check your issue. Now solution number 2 is to check the battery percentage. Make sure that you have more than 50% of the charge. Make sure that you have more than 50% of your battery percentage, because if you have less than 50, it may cause the update issue. So connect the charger on your iPhone and try updating your device. Solution number 3 is to check iPhone storage. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Now tap iPhone Storage and check your storage capacity. If you don't have enough storage, then free up some storage by deleting unnecessary apps and games, and you can also delete some photos and videos from your iPhone and then restart your iPhone. Now the last solution is to turn off lockdown mode. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Privacy and Security and scroll all the way down. If you see the lockdown mode is enabled, tap on it, tap on and turn off lockdown mode. Go through the process and turn off the lockdown mode. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If the issue persists, don't forget to contact Apple support for assistance. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.